As car maintenance and DIY auto work grow more common, portable and efficient aluminum floor jacks are increasingly in demand. Much like typists and gamers value responsive switches and ergonomic design, car owners want jacks with smooth pumping action, reliable build quality, good lifting capacity, and compact form factor.
List number 1. 3-ton low-profile aluminum floor jack. The 3-ton low-profile aluminum floor jack is a strong all-around jack suited for medium to heavy passenger vehicles, SUVs, and light trucks. With a 3-ton, or approximately 6,000 pounds, lift rating, it offers ample capacity for most home garages. Its low-profile design ensures a minimal starting height, often under 4 inches, which makes it especially useful for cars with low ground clearance or sporty suspensions. Constructed from lightweight aluminum alloy, this floor jack is significantly easier to maneuver and transport than traditional steel models. The lighter weight is a major bonus for those who frequently move the jack around a shop or store it in a tight space. Despite being lightweight, the jack maintains strong stability and strength thanks to reinforced lifting arms and a wide-base design. Another advantage is often found in its hydraulic system. Many modern low-profile jacks use a dual pump or rapid lift mechanism. This reduces the number of handle strokes needed to reach full lift, saving time and effort, useful whether you're changing a tire or doing suspension work. The saddle typically includes a rubber-padded lift pad to prevent damage to the vehicle's pinch weld or frame during lifting.
Number 2. Yellow Jacket Floor Jack 1.5-ton Hydraulic Low-Profile Aluminum. The Yellow Jacket 1.5-ton Hydraulic Low-Profile Aluminum Floor Jack is a compact, lightweight option intended for smaller cars and lighter maintenance tasks. With a rating of 1.5 tons, about 3,000 pounds, it's best suited for compact sedans, small hatchbacks, or light-duty work rather than heavy trucks or SUVs. Its low-profile design enables a very low starting height, often around 3.5 to 4 inches, which is advantageous for vehicles with limited ground clearance. The construction blends aluminum and steel, giving it a relatively lightweight and decent strength for its class. The lighter weight enhances portability, ideal if you need to store it in a small garage or transport it in a trunk. The jack typically includes a dual pump or quick lift system, minimizing pumping effort and making it easier to raise the saddle. The saddle is usually rubber padded or comes with a foam bumper to protect vehicle surfaces during lifting. Casters and side handles are common as well, improving maneuverability and storage convenience.
List number 3. Torin TAM 815016L Hydraulic Low-Profile Aluminum Floor Jack. The Torin TAM 815016L Hydraulic Low-Profile Aluminum Floor Jack occupies a comfortable middle ground between portability, lift range, and strength. With a capacity often around 1.5 to 2 tons, depending on variant, and a lifting range typically from about 3.5 inches minimum up to about 14 inches maximum, it's tailored for lower clearance cars and routine maintenance tasks. What makes this jack stand out is its hybrid aluminum-steel construction. Critical load-bearing parts and lift arms are reinforced, while non-critical components remain lightweight aluminum, a smart balance of durability and portability. This ensures it remains easier to carry and maneuver than a full steel jack, which is especially beneficial in smaller garages or when you need to transport it between locations. The jack commonly features a dual-pump quick lift system, reducing the number of handle strokes required to raise a vehicle, a convenience when you're doing frequent jackups. The lift saddle usually includes a rubber pad to protect chassis pinch welds or frame rails. A detachable handle or side handle improves storage and transport, and casters add to its mobility.
List number 4. Yellow Jacket Floor Jack 3-ton Hydraulic Low-Profile Aluminum. The Yellow Jacket 3-ton Hydraulic Low-Profile Aluminum Floor Jack offers a compelling blend of strength, portability, and ease of use. With a 3-ton rating, approximately 6,000 pounds, it's capable of lifting most sedans, SUVs, and light trucks, making it more versatile than smaller capacity jacks. Aero Guardians +1. This model's low-profile starting height, often under 4 inches, makes it suitable for vehicles with lower ground clearance, sports cars, lowered street vehicles, or cars with body kits. Weiye Aluminum +1. Constructed from a mix of heavy-duty aluminum and steel in critical load areas, it achieves the strength needed for heavier lifts while remaining lighter and more portable than all steel jacks. My Blog +1. A notable feature is the dual-piston or rapid-lift hydraulic system, which reduces pumping effort and lifts vehicles quickly, often with fewer handle strokes compared to older single-piston jacks. My Blog +1. The lifting saddle is typically rubber padded and equipped with a foam bumper to prevent vehicle damage. Car Care Total +1. Casters and side handles make positioning easier, and the wide stance improves stability under load.
List number 5. Yellow Jacket 3-ton full aluminum ultra lightweight quick rise. The Yellow Jacket 3-ton full aluminum quick rise floor jack is designed for those who want the maximum combination of lifting power and portability. With a 3-ton capacity, it's capable of handling sedans, SUVs, and many light trucks, while staying much lighter than equivalent steel jacks thanks to its full aluminum construction. Aero Guardians +1. Because of the lightweight frame, this jack is significantly easier to transport, maneuver, and store, a major advantage if your workspace is small or mobile work is common. The quick rise hydraulic mechanism often means fewer handle pumps to reach full lift, an efficiency benefit if you change tires or perform undercarriage work frequently. MasadaJack.net +1. The design usually includes a wide padded saddle to protect your vehicle's lifting points and a stable base with swivel casters for easy positioning. CarCareTotal.net +1. Build quality tends to be solid, combining corrosion-resistant aluminum with reinforced steel components where needed to handle stress under load.